All right, we're live now, my friend. So this is our second episode of review with Raj or Raj Reviews. I don't remember the name exactly, but second episode, and I'm joined by my brother this time.
Hello,
Hello, buddy. So just to give you some idea, my brother just started trading. It's his first week of trading. Just got done with his first week, right?
Yeah, first week with real money.
How was it? How was your experience?
It was stressful, to say the least.
It was stressful, eh?
It was stressful.
Yeah, it's very different from demo account, you know.
Yeah, but when you see those $10 or $15 just slowly go away,
Okay, what happens?
what happens? I don't know.
Explain it, na? It's just bad.
It's just bad. It's just a bad feeling. Even though you didn't earn it, because like my account, you gave it to me. It's like my whatever $100, $200 account. Even though it's not my money, it just feels bad when I make a bad trade and that money goes away.
Yeah, that's very.
And I made many bad trades.
It's your first week, buddy. So that's very common because human psychology works in a way when you lose something, it hurts. Yeah. But keep in mind, you're not unlike the medieval times. If you make a bad choice, doesn't mean that it puts your life at risk. Because we are designed in a way thinking that if made a bad choice, we didn't have survival chances or something. So chill out, relax. It's your first week trading. So the format of this review will be, you tell me what was your thought process when you entered a trade, exited a trade, what went through your mind, and we'll start from your first day of trading. So if you would like to go to your trade history and review it from the first trade that you took.
Trade on September 1st.
September 1st. Okay, so I deposited what, 150 to your account and you got $30 credit from the broker. Okay. All right, let's see your first trade ever.
Yeah.
Okay. What session was it?
I actually don't really remember. It was around, I think.
Was it Tokyo session, New York session?
Yeah, I think so. It was Tokyo session, I guess.
Okay. So, what did you think to go into this trade? I mean, I see you entered at 3510 and stop loss was at 3509. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it possible? Can I see if you made money on this or not? I mean, if you can.
It's right there. I lost.
Oh, you lost $2. Okay, that's fine.
I lost $2 on my first trade.
No, the one above it.
The one above it.
What happened with that one? Was it break even or what?
I don't know. It just doesn't show anything. I tried, it just does not. So maybe it was a break even.
That's interesting. Because it should show something.
It should show
how about you delete this commission part? What? Your free meeting will end in 10 minutes. Need more time? Zoom Pro provides unlimited. Okay. I think I'll have to upgrade then, I guess.
Yeah.
In the meantime, okay, $22 a month. Everything costs money, eh?
Everything. That's why we're trying to make it.
Unlimited meeting for up to 30 hours per meeting. Okay. I think I'll take it. My friend. I have to take it because if we have to continue this. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah? तेरा हांजी निकलने वाला था. That's fine. थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी तो आती है ना अपने को फिर अब.
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत ही आती है भाई, थोड़ी बहुत ही आती है.
थोड़ी बहुत क्या पूरी आती है, but we try to speak in English so that all the audience throughout the world can go through our content. Let me get this, buddy. In the meantime, I want you to tell me what went through your mind and why you took what you took. ठीक है?
So basically, I did my trading analysis in TradeView. So I had the fair value gap tool installed on this, and it showed a significant fair value gap on these two candles. which I entered right there. And this is in TradeView.
Mm-hmm.
So basically my demo account, and I didn't touch TradeView, so it kept going up till this point. But the thing is, when I entered the same thing here,
Okay.
so it was with real money, and basically when it started to go down or showed a little bit of movement, because the market just went flat here for like, I think so, half an hour or an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Here the market just went flat, so I was like, oh no, the market might go down or just might go flat for the rest of the time. So I got scared. I did a few more entries, returns. Basically that's what happened, but the market still went up like I thought it would.
So your bias was right, from what I understand. Your
Yeah.
bias was right, but you didn't have enough patience to wait in the trade.
Yes.
So we are reviewing your first trade, right? The one that you entered at 3,510.
Yes.
All right. So you do a buy, and I see. Buddy, just wait, na. Oh. Okay. Now our meeting has unlimited time. This is done, which is good.
How much money did it cost?
That costed me $25, but that's fine.
$25 for 1 month?
Yeah, for a month.
For a month.
For a month, that's right. And just to make sure OBS is still recording, it is very much good. That's good. And I can see your screen very well. All right. So first trade, fair value gap. So all your entries were done on 5-minute time frame, eh?
Yes.
And did you do any analysis on a bigger time frame to check what the market bias is or the market trend is?
I did. I usually do that either 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So, and most of the time, it shows that the market would go up as like the common trend of the market. So, if I change this to, oh, I can't on this, I guess. So, let's change it here. So, if I change this to about 30 minutes, as we can see, oh, we cannot.
What do you mean you cannot? Double click on the sidebar and it will fix.
Oh, it fixed itself, of course. Too many lines I made.
Yeah, you got too many zones, too many levels.
Too many levels.
If you have too many levels, your brain will confuse itself thinking that, oh, every level has an entry or exit thing, buddy.
Yeah.
How many
Like
trades in total you took that day?
How many trades in total?
On September 2nd, yes.
On September 2nd, I mainly took my trades here. So if you look at this,
count and tell me the number of trades you took.
Count and tell me the number.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
that many trades in one day, buddy.
That many trades in one day. Yeah, I was just the first day and I fumbled.
That's fine. I mean, understand one thing. You don't have to make so many decisions, and when it comes to money, you can only make, few decisions, and after that your brain gets exhausted and you won't be able to make a sound decision. So in order to become a profitable trader and learn how market operates, make sure you do check bigger time frames. Maybe check 4 hour. Go to 4 hour if you can, and check the market bias, like market trend. Go to 4 hour and put a star on it. Yes. Now go to 4 hour time frame.
Yes.
Go back to September 2nd.
It took a second to go back to September 2nd.
Yes, because 4 hour things work differently. So you can clearly see on September 2nd, there was a pullback. You see that red candle forming on 4 hour?
Yeah.
So that means the market did have a pullback and it created a support. Let me point this out to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at this. You see this?
Yes.
This is market creating support on 4-hour time frame, which means there is a higher probability that market will take support, which is this, and move up. What did it do?
Move up.
And scroll back a little bit further. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, stay there. Now think about this, buddy. Market is in uptrend from past how many days?
Past week.
Past week, right? It's been uptrend, clear uptrend. That's factual, right? We can make sense of it. It
Yes.
is in an uptrend. And in an uptrend market, we make sure of two things as a new trader. You are a new trader, I'm a new trader myself. We buy at support. ठीक है? So go back to September 2nd again. Your entry was right. The only thing you could have done better was waited it out. Don't panic when
same
you
thing here.
yes. Don't panic when you
I
lose
just waited it
$2.
out.
Don't panic when you lose $3. ठीक है? Keep this in mind. You only have to do 2 trades a day. All right, at max 3. The moment you go above 3 trades, that means you are FOMO and revenge trading. So your decision taking capabilities will be completely hampered.
Okay.
Because
I understand that, but
yeah, I know you can't control your urge right now, but that is what trading is all about. Control yourself, buddy. See how structures are forming in the market. See, read candles. Okay, so coming back to this September 2nd, do you mind zooming into MT5 completely? Get rid of the trading view for 1 minute.
okay. Let me just move you and do that. Wow, really?
No, ऊपर वाले से. Use the MT5 window zoomer. Okay. Nice wallpaper, my friend.
Thank you, thank you. This doesn't go down and it doesn't let me go down, really?
Arey bhai. Yeah, press. No. The one above.
Let me just fix that for a second. Now.
Yes. The one above,
same
buddy.
thing.
No, buddy. The one above.
I can't press it. The thing comes down.
Okay, press it again.
Okay. It doesn't let me.
What do you mean it doesn't let you? Okay, then stretch it and make it to the full screen, buddy.
I will.
See? It did let you do that.
There we go.
Okay. Where's your chart? Where is your chart, my friend? See, कितनी clear move कर रही हैं candles. This is the best time to make market money, bro. Think of it like this. There is a water flowing in a big tube. ठीक है? Listen to this very carefully. ठीक है? I'll
Yes,
only
sir.
explain it to one time. Think of it as a big tube with water flowing through it. With full force. ठीक है? With extreme force, water is flowing through it. You as a trader, your only job is to make a hole in that tube and fill your bucket. Okay, and then you don't have to do this all the time. You only have to do it 1 or 2 times a day to fill your buckets, have enough for you to run you through your day and sustain you for a month. Okay? So if you do in and out, you puncture the tube, okay, but at the very second moment you keep it sealing, will you make money or will you be able to fill your bucket? No, right? That's what's happening with you, bhai. You enter a trade, you don't even let it run, and then you cut the trade. If this continues, you'll only be able to at best break even. Let's move on to your next trade. Let's move on to your next day completely. You have made multiple entries here without any confirmation, I believe. Okay, September 3rd. How did that go for you?
September 3rd evening. Where are my trades? Wait a second. No, I don't think so. I did any trades on September 2nd. September
Third.
3rd.
Okay, that's fine. Let's move to September 4th then.
Next
I
September
see
4th,
a
September
big,
4th.
big. I see a
Yeah,
big lose. $16 on a $150 account.
yeah, I
All right,
know.
explain that. Where is that trade? How did you do it? And why?
That trade.
All right, it's at
That was the
527.
second
So,
trade, so it was around here. So basically, I thought the market was going to go up
mm-hmm.
on this trade. I thought it might, but it didn't. It went down. Basically, my analysis on this one was wrong, but then when I look back at it,
That's fine. Okay, two tips for you, my friend. You entered on a wrong candle. Look at this.
yeah,
You see that green big body candle here? Wait, let me get my
yeah,
marker. You see this candle? I'm talking about your second trade, okay?
yeah.
So this is your first trade.
Mm-hmm.
Did you make any money on this? Oh, you sell here. Oh, you.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Nobody know. No
If
one.
if I might have held that trade there,
So
I
okay,
would
you
have made more.
sell. Look at this. You sell. ठीक है? 0.04 lot size at 3542. At 3542. Let's move this a little. Yes, 3542. You take a sell trade and goes completely in the wrong direction, and you
Yeah,
lose $16 on this.
$16. If I had held that trade for a while, it would have been completely down, and I kind of considered this day a good day of trading.
So you
actually.
became a liquidity. You became liquidity for big institutions, my friend. They trapped you. Okay. To understand this better, you enter here, and then you had to exit here because you were down $16.
I consider this kind of a better trade because this day.
You know
because
what
then
would
I
have been a better entry?
Yeah,
You have already seen this, that the market is pushing down right now. Okay? And then the size of the candle, the body candle, look at that. Big candle, right? Smaller candle. That means the price has exhausted itself if it's not able to make any bigger candles. Anytime this happens, buddy, wait for next candle to close. You see this small red candle or white candle forming on your chart just before you entered. Okay, let me point this out to you. Let's get a different color that makes more scary appearance. Yes, so you entered here while you know the body of the candles are getting shorter and shorter. I think you entered here because of the impulse. You saw one big red candle or white candle and you thought I should enter in the second one. Instead of this, don't chase opportunity, my friend. Don't run for it. The opportunity will come to you if you wait. The biggest part about trading is, buddy, that it's a game of waiting. You have to wait. 80% of the trading is just waiting. Even if you have entered a trade, after that you have to wait for it to play out. Okay, so the price pulled back, it started going up and you had to exit. Okay, and then you make another sell entry, I believe. Wait, go above, matlab upar ja thoda sa. Let me see your history again. Okay, wait right there. Yeah, so you take a buy trade. No, you buy. Oh. I'm unable to understand your thing here. Let's make sense of it. Hold on.
Basically, I think I made one trade right here, a sell trade, but then it started going up on this candle. That made me lose $9 on that.
Yeah.
But then, as I slowly understood, like the way the market was going, I made 18, almost $20 on my next trade.
But we have already lost 25 for the day to begin with.
Yeah. But then I also made a $7 trade right here.
So the $18 trade that you took, okay, let's see that. You buy. No, so 547 you enter. Okay, that trade continued for a long time, eh?
Yeah. That's what made.
So 0.02 lot, you entered at 3535. Okay, you break even the trade. That's good. That's very good. The anytime your trade moves in the direction you wanted it to move, and you capture 10, 20, 30 pips, break even the trade, bro. But at the same time, make sure you take, okay, your lot size was 0.02, perfectly good lot size for your account. The moment it moved 20 pips in your direction, which is $2 move in your direction,
Yeah.
do two things. Bring your SL closer to your entry point. That way you don't worry about your
Yeah,
trade going
that's what
negative
I.
again.
Yeah, that's what I did right here. I moved my SL above where I bought it, so it was confirmed that I was gonna make that much money.
So your second
On it.
trade was right.
Yeah.
The one and you made $18. Go up again, buddy. Go up more. A little more. Okay, hold on there, yeah. So you captured $10. $10 move, which is 10 pips. Wait. Yeah, you captured 10 pips on a 2 cent lot, which is $20. Perfect. Good. Okay, that is a good trade you did. But did you change your bias? No, you gave your bias a second chance, which is good. You still sold a position.
Because there were so many big candles moving, it was kind of confirmed that it might go down, and that's what had happened. A big.
So what happened
Big
after?
downward.
Okay, you made $19. I need to understand this. You made 19, and then you made
Yes.
$7. Okay.
Yes.
So why you were trading even after that?
Because I was trying to, make back the money I just lost.
Yeah, that's one
I was
of
trying to
the.
make back the money, and I did. I can't. I did. My last trade was a $10 trade on the big, on this big white candle of the downtrend.
So when did you? Okay, you entered here. I can see it.
Yeah.
So you entered somewhere here, right?
Yes.
And then you exited here.
Yes.
Press Control F and then drag your cursor from red line to red line.
Red line.
And then you have to hold Control F again. Drag it from red line. Yeah, and okay, hold on. Oh, you don't have to click again. You just have to keep.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
Control F. Let's try that again. The reason I'm trying to do this is I want to tell you something. Okay. Yeah, stay there. 540 points. Okay, this was your last trade, right?
Yes.
So, are you able to understand what this is? What is this telling you?
No, not really.
Okay. So, I'll explain it to you, buddy. That means you entered at 3524 and you exited at 3519. We're talking about your last trade of the day in which you made $10. Your lot size was 0.02, right?
Yep.
That tells you two things, buddy. You need to understand how pips work. $1 of gold movement is equal to 10 pips.
Yes. $1 of gold movement.
Yes. If the price goes from 10 to 11, that is a $1 move, and that means you have captured 10 pips. Just like that, you have here captured 50 pips because you have captured a $5 move. So that is a very good trade. Well done here, but I think you were going just with momentum. You had no market structure analysis कि यहाँ पे enter करूँगा, यहाँ पे जाऊँगा. You saw candles moving down and you entered. Am I right?
Yeah.
Right. You saw the candles are moving, pushing down. So I just enter again, because you made multiple trades that very day.
Yeah.
So you see that 565 points it says, or 570.
Yes.
Those are your pips. That means you captured 57 pips.
$57 worth of
No. 50 points doesn't mean dollars. 577 points means you captured 57 pips, which means $5.70. Now this
$5.
gets tricky. Maybe I'll use an iPad to explain it to you in a minute. Okay, so that was your last trade of the
Yes.
week, eh? You did not trade it September 5th? Oh, because Asia
No,
session.
I had a game on that day, a football game.
Okay, how's your school going?
It's going good. New faces because of the starting year.
Nice. Okay,
New
so
classes.
you only traded what, 2 days in a week? September 2nd and September 4th.
Yes.
That's not bad. Okay,
And
tell me.
another thing, for some reason, I don't know, it happened on Thursday, but when I opened my TradeView account in school, the market was just stopped. It stopped at a specific point and it didn't move for an hour, and the candle was not moving at all.
What day was it? What day was it?
It was Thursday, and I was surprised because market does not close on Thursdays.
Yeah, you're right. It does not close on Thursday. But the thing is, you sure it was Thursday?
I'm sure it was Thursday.
Because what time did you open the charts? Remember that?
Yes, it was around in my last. I think so. It was around in my last class, and yeah.
So the market does close from 4 to 5, I believe. So
okay. So
when they say forex is 24 hours, that's a lie. It's 23 hours because it closes for 1 hour to settle its books and everything.
Okay.
And then it starts back at 5.
So in that moment, I thought, why is the market closing?
And
and then I just thought, okay, if it's closing, no point in watching the charts. Then I just went with my day, and tomorrow was a game anyways, so I was busy the entire day.
I see, and that's fine.
Um,
But
yes,
overall, your day was a good day, buddy. Your week was good week, even though it was a losing week. That's fine. You'll have a next week to prove yourself. Okay. Now, from what I understand, you are only trading momentum. You see candles moving down, you enter, exit multiple times in the same direction. If you have a bias, by bias it means कि तुझे लगता है कि market गिरेगी आज, या your structure tells you, oh, there is a downtrend in the market. So your bias is either selling or buying, right? You can only have two kind of bias in market. If your bias says sell, stick to your bias, ठीक है? Make one trade and let it run.
Yeah.
Instead of okay, go above again. I want to show you one thing.
On the
history. See, this is what you need to control, my friend. $16 loss, $9 loss.
Yeah.
Right? Your direction was right.
Big losses.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, explain. Okay, let's jump out of your screen, move to my screen. Okay, I think I have found कि तू क्या गलत कर रहा है. Let me.
I stopped sharing. Yeah.
Yeah, stop sharing your screen. Hi, buddy. How do I share my screen here? Tell me, buddy. How do I share my screen? Meeting info.
Just
share. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, the share.
One participant can share at time. Okay, let me share my screen. Share. Okay, I want to share this desktop. No, let's share this one. Okay. All right, can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Let's minimize this. These are my charts. Okay, let's go to demo account, because I think.
Is this still MT5?
Yes, buddy, MT5 moving like trading view.
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna change my properties again.
Yeah, it takes time to get used to MT5, my friend. It's not the easiest software in the world, especially when you're moving from trading view.
Yeah.
Trading view will ruin your habits.
TradingView is like one of the best softwares for trading.
Yes. All right, let me move to my demo account so I can show you how. I hate that sound.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so this is gold, but let's move to something that is still active. And what is active at this time? BTC
BTC.
templates. Loading my template. Okay, now this chart will move freely, my friend. Let me fix this. Scale fix. Okay. Yes, now I can move it freely. Why is it auto scrolling? Let's see auto scroll. Okay, let's cancel. Yes, now it's perfect. Okay, buddy.
It's a good thing we didn't start with Bitcoin as a learning chart.
Oh, Bitcoin is very volatile, buddy. You don't want
Yeah,
to.
look at that. So many volatile moves. There's no
Do I
structure,
have
think.
any fake money? Yes, I do. Okay. What I think you are doing when you enter, and tell me if I'm wrong, okay? If you're doing otherwise, you can tell me, no, buddy, I'm not doing this.
Okay.
I'm doing this instead. Let me put my laptop and iPad to charge. Moving on to the next week, what will you do differently?
First thing, I will take at least half an hour to understand the market and which direction it's going in. And only then, when I have completely come on a consensus that the market's going down or up, then I will take a trade.
Okay, how many trades a
And
day?
I will stick with it.
How many trades a day?
3 or 2.
Okay, think of it like this. You are doing Asia session, I believe, right?
No, Tokyo session, I believe.
Oh, Asia, Tokyo, same shit.
Okay.
Asia session opens and then Sydney sessions open, so Tokyo session is fine, whatever you say. Keep this in mind. First trade of a day, if it goes positive, done for the day. No more trades.
Trade.
Yeah, first trade of the day, if it goes positive, $10, $20, done. No matter how much you feel like doing another trade, how much urges, you have to control those, bro. The moment you start controlling those, you'll get profitable. Let's say you made $10, $20 on your first trade. Let's say, okay?
Just close it.
Just close the MT5, close TradingView, go for a walk, go do something in the backyard, right? Play with your talwar. For the least I care, yeah. Do that. The reason I say this, first trade positive, okay, and then you are on your high horse thinking, oh, I know how this works, and then you make a second trade and lose whatever you made in your first trade. You'll have much more remorse than you'll repent it. Why did I take a second trade? And then you'll make a third trade thinking, oh, now I need to get back to point A.
Yeah.
Right? Because your first trade was positive and your second was negative, and then third, you'll think, okay, I need to make what I lost back. That's not how it works.
That's what I did on my last day of trading.
Yes. And it turned out good for you.
Lost and I gained.
Yes, you gained, but that's a bad habit. If you continue to do that, buddy, in long run it will hurt you more than it will help you.
Yeah.
So first trade positive, done for the day. First trade negative, and you think you want to give your bias a second chance. Okay, do that. But second trade negative, you call it a day.
Okay.
You call it a day no matter what, no matter how well of a setup you see. You see a A+ setup, let's see, you know for sure that the probability is in your favor and the market will move up from here. Fine, don't take a trade. That's fine. Come back tomorrow, you'll have more opportunities. But if you lose your capital, that seed capital, you're done, buddy. Who's gonna fund you again?
Nobody.
Right? So this is your opportunity to make it work for yourself. All right. I think what you're doing wrong is, buddy, when you enter and exit, okay, let's say my bias is selling, right? 4-hour time frame, I can clearly see market made this, right, resistance and has been right?
Going down.
On 4-hour time frame. I shift to a lower time frame to see what's going on. Okay, let's get this out of the way. 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see market is pushing down, right? So I decide, all right, I'll enter with the 2 cent lot. I sell. Let's make sure it's a demo account one more time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I sell. I enter. Okay. I've sold here and the price isn't moving much. My stop loss is just behind this candle.
Mm.
Okay, let's drag it again. Now you have to tell me what. Okay, you made a position. Let's say this is your position to the sell side. What will
Yes.
you do to close this trade? How do you close this trade? Let's say, okay, yeah. How do you close this?
Just go ahead. Just click this, and it closes on this one.
I can't see
I'm
your
not-
mouse. I can't see your mouse. You tell me what should I do to close this?
Go right under the profit line, beside the volume, and there's a cross sign. Yeah, there.
So you close this.
Yeah. You close
And
it.
the trade closes. Okay.
Yes,
Now look at this.
immediately.
This is what I'm trying to figure out with your history. I couldn't make sense of this. This was the trade we took, right?
Yeah.
So unlike your charts where it shows separate entry exit, right?
Yes.
Your one column is empty and then the other column shows how much you made and
Yeah,
lost.
I don't know why that happens. What's going
Okay.
on there?
Because if you do this, I took a sell trade, you can see here just now in BTC 0.02 lot, right? And no SL hit, no TP hit, so that's fine. We did not even set a TP, so this is empty. But look at this, it shows in the same line, right? Unlike yours. Let me bring this even further up. See how they are all aligned in
Yeah, they're all together. I don't know why that
So
happened.
I'm just trying to make sure you don't do this. Let me
What?
show you one more thing. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, the 30-minute candle closes in what time? Let's see. Okay, let's minimize this. The 30-minute candle will close at 12, so we still got 15 minutes. And the 15-minute candle just started. So let's move to 15-minute. You can see the 15-minute candle started moving up, right?
Yeah.
So, agar ab we want to trade to the and stick with our bias, what was our bias?
Our bias was it's going down.
So our bias was sell, right?
Yes.
But as we can clearly see, there is a pullback in the market. Now, what I don't like about this setup right now is this long wicks,
Yeah.
right? So
Which means there's a lot of pushback.
yes, so sellers are trying to take the price down, but the buyers are kicking in, right?
Yeah.
Which shows me some exhaustion from the seller side because sellers could not continue to push the price down.
But the same thing up here.
Where?
Stable for a second. A lot of pushback from the buyers, and then suddenly the sellers kick in and go down.
Yeah, and you can clearly see a 15-minute candle forming a small body candle, right? Which means buyers now have some control of the situation. So right now we cannot technically stick with our bias. We'll have to wait for this candle to close, the current candle to close, and then enter a situation. So it just formed a upper wick, right? And now it has started pushing down. We still wait for this to break previous candle's body, and then if it goes below that, then we might enter. So this, I'm telling you, is for you to know ki you just don't have to make entry. Wait for a setup, see how candles are forming. It's very important for you to see how candles are forming at any given time. You can draw all the lines in the world you want, buddy, but the lines won't help you if your bias isn't in your direction.
Gonna cut all those lines.
And as of now, we know there is no momentum in the market, there is no volume. because it's Saturday, no institutions are open on Saturday for the most part, and volume for what do you call, even BTC drops. You see now it broke the previous candle body's low and is pushing down. Now we wait till it breaks this and then we might enter.
Okay.
You see, you don't have to jump right away into something. First have confluences. Confluences समझ आती है तेरे को?
No.
Confluences are various conformations that makes your probability go higher. It's a probabilities game, right? Price goes down, up, we don't know. So we take a probability from here that we think there is a good chance that price will go down. Okay, but we need some more assurance. That assurance is called confluences. You look for other things to give you some surety that price here. Okay, now you see there is a zone forming. Look at that. Okay, give me 1 second, buddy. Let me fix this. Why are you taking thande saan? See, this is what one thing about MT5. Let me change the color and see if it makes
Doesn't work like you want it to.
That's the thing, but don't worry, we'll fix it. We are the fixers. We can fix anything, buddy. Visualization, parameters, fill, yes. Why is it not filling it then? Draw object as a background. Yes, draw object as a background. Okay, let's try again. Still the same, nevertheless. Okay, see, okay, our price just pushed down so hard.
Yep. So
that's fine. See? So let's say we enter here. Our stop would be previous candles, not previous, current candles, and then we wait. Let's put it here. Okay, now and we aim for, let's say, how much are we risking? We're risking $4, okay, and then
so
we
at least make twice that.
So that is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But right now, for an example, I'm just showing you 1 to 1. We are okay. Whenever you set stop loss or TP, means two things. Now you have done your part. Now let the market do its own thing. Either it hits your TP or stop loss, that's fine. That's the outcome you accept. So when you set your SL, that means you are okay losing that money. So right now, I'm okay losing $4.14. That's fine.
Yeah.
If it goes in opposite direction, that's fine. Let it hit my stop loss. We'll manage risk when it comes to, but for now we are okay losing $4, right? And if it goes in our direction, our bias is right, and it goes the way we wanted it to go, it will make us $5. So that is 1 to 1.
Yeah.
We're risking 5 to make 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
And right now the buyer is going no, the market's going.
And that's fine. We don't have to react to that at all. Whatever market does is market does. Whatever our bias was to fill our buckets, right? Like I explained earlier. Our goal here is to make a puncture in the tube to fill our buckets and get out of the market. We don't have to stick to this for the rest of the day. What I was trying to do here was alright, now we manage risk. Now we know the price has moved completely in opposite direction, right? And we have 0.02 lot size. You can double click on this. Do you ever do this?
Yes, I do.
And what do you do? Sell, buy? What do you do to close your position?
I just put on close.
Yeah. If you're doing everything right, you're pressing close here, you're pressing the cross button over there. How come How come your entry exits are all messed up?
I don't know.
No problem, we'll work on that. All right. जब तक ये position run हो रही है, I want you to understand one thing more clearly. Let's see if I can pull that up here. And that will be the last thing for this review, and then we'll have a trading plan for you. What do you say? अगले हफ्ते का क्या plan है तेरा? How are you going to do things differently?
Like I said before, I'm gonna wait and observe the market and understand where it's going today. So if it's going down, I would make a bias on that, and then I will enter the market with that bias.
Yeah. Now you can.
If I make profit, if I make a sufficient amount of profit for my risk, I will just go out of the market, and that's done for the day.
Yeah. Because think of it this way too, buddy. You are 16 years old, right? Make sense of this. The sooner you detach yourself from the urge to click in and enter, the better it will be for you. Are you using your phone?
Nope.
Better not, buddy. उधर आके पीटूंगा. ठीक है?
I'm not using my phone as a steel cup.
Better. Yeah. We'll let this enter. Okay, ideally, let's say if it was a live trade, what I would do right now is close 50%. So I would close 0.01. Yes, I will close. And still, just in case, let's say, पता क्या होता है? I don't want FOMO, right? Neither do you. No, nobody likes FOMO. So the reason I closed 50% because it hasn't still reached my stop loss, right?
Yeah.
And there is a still good chance that it might just push up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But if it, let's say I close my 100% position.
Yeah.
And then price moves in my direction. What will I think? कि मैंने क्यों काटी? Why did I
do that?
Right? So to avoid that feeling, keep 50%, cut 50%, and that way you mitigate your boom, gone.
Gone.
Yeah, that's fine. And let's get rid of this. So remember how we thought of losing $4 in this trade?
Yeah.
You want to see something?
What happened?
How much did we lose?
Half the 360.
Right, so we did save $1 somehow.
How?
Because we cut 50% before it hits our SL, we cut 50%.
Okay.
That way, because क्या होगा? 2 cent lot, 0.02, right?
Yes.
And when the price started moving in the opposite direction, we took half off. हमने half पहले ही काट दिया. I know it's a little tricky to understand, and you are yawning like crazy. कितने बजे सोया था?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay, let's
Woke
see.
Woke up at 10, I believe.
Woke up at 10. Tell me if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I am.
No. Are you able to see my iPad screen?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's...
Both of them have cars. Okay.
I'll explain you two things and we'll make a trading plan for you. I can't see you now, so... Next week. क्या करेगा अलग? What will you do differently? You'll have 5 rules. First rule.
Observe the market.
Good. Second rule.
Make a bias and stick with it.
Good one. Make a bias. Stick with it.
Yes.
ठीक है? And you can also say... Okay, let me get the right kind. Do not change your bias. ठीक है? But when I ask you for your trading plan, I want more mechanical things. Now, mechanical things means what will be your lot size?
0.02.
Lot size 0.02. No more than that. That is perfect leverage for your account. Okay, how many trades a day?
2 or 3, and only one if it's a good one.
2 to 3 trades a day. What do you do if your first trade is positive?
Just shut it down and go for a walk.
First trade, green, done for the day.
Done for the day.
Okay, first trade negative, what do you do?
I would give my bias another chance, or I would just do the same. Done for the day.
Done for the day, good. Done for the day. If your first trade goes red, don't make another entry right away. Wait for 5-10 minutes, see how the market structure forms, and based upon that, I don't know if you use Fibonacci's, what you use, right?
Yeah,
We'll come to that on a later stage, but do what seems right to you. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, see how market moves, or 5 to 10 minutes depending upon. If you see good momentum, it's okay to give your bias a second chance and enter again. Okay, two red trades, what do you do?
2 red trades done. Completely done.
No more trades, right?
No more trades. No more trades.
2 red trades, done for the day.
Yeah, try not to let that happen either.
Yes, ideally yes. Okay, fourth point. So far, make a bias, stick with it.
Yes.
Do not change your bias. And bias comes from bigger time frames. Always remember this, my friend. Bias comes from
Bigger time frames.
4 hour, daily, 1 hour. And then you do your entries on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, depending upon which one you're more comfortable with. Okay, lot size. Why do we use 0.02 lot size?
Because I have a small account, and if I use a lot size that bigger, my account will blow.
Yeah, your account will blow. So the reason we use smaller lot size, just like you said, good, we don't want to over leverage ourselves. The moment we over leverage, we risk losing the whole account in one go.
Yeah, we don't want to put the house. We don't want to put the house down.
Yeah.
On one trade.
On one set of cards, yes. Good analogy. Okay, and then 2 to 3 trades a day. First trade green, done for the day. First trade red, what do we do?
Wait, look at the market again, and if I make another good trade, then I'm done. If I make another bad trade, then I'm
So
done.
for the second trade, do you change your bias?
Do I change my bias? Depends. If my observations show me that the bias did the same, but I just made a bad trade, then I'll stick to my previous bias. But if the market shows that my bias was completely wrong, take another 10 to 5 minutes, observe the market, what happens, then make another trade.
Yep. The only time you change your bias is when you see market structure changing.
Completely.
Change of bias comes when you see market structure. Wait, market structure moves completely. Okay?
Yes.
And one last thing, and this is quite important. And this is just an extension of the third point. Oh wait, this is fourth point, my bad. Who is it?
Mother.
Kya?
Let's continue.
Okay. One last thing, buddy. Yeah. So do not just enter, exit multiple times. Look at the market structure and then enter.
Okay.
And you trade Asia session, so stick with that. No more trades out of Asia session.
Hmm.
You trade only Asia session, stick with that, okay?
Hmm.
And that's it for the day. I mean, I hope this allows you to understand a lot of things.
I hope to.
And I hope next week goes differently for you.
Hmm. It
Okay.
should.
You have any
It
questions for me before we end this?
Hmm.
कि क्या अलग करना चाहिए, कुछ करना है? You can ask right now.
Well, for now, I'll just play some charts on repeat and then check what I'm doing wrong.
Yeah.
What is going on there?
Yeah, don't worry about this. This is the endless illusion of nothing.
The endless illusion of nothing. So,
Let me do one thing here. Yeah, Pooch, what do you want to ask?
no, nothing. I was just gonna ask like how much your account is in profit or loss.
Okay, you want to see my now, eh? Sure.
Yes.
Give me 1 second. Let me share, because I will do another episode of the weekly review for my own account, but why not? I'll share it with you. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
So this is the demo. We
Yes,
log
the
in to trade. We move to PU Prime Live. This changes to 401. Hopefully this is the right chart.
No, this is my chart.
तेरा चार्ट कैसे है ये? How is this your chart?
This is my chart. Like it's exactly the same numbers. Minus 37.5 say.
Okay, I opened your account. My bad.
Yeah, that's my chart.
Sorry, buddy. Please don't hang me for that.
I will not.
Okay, my trades. February में क्यों पहुंच गए भाई ये? MT5 doing MT5 things. There we go.
God damn.
So I traded NFP. I traded NFP on Friday. Yeah, there it was NFP. Do you know what NFP is?
No, I would like to know.
So there is a lot of economic numbers that affects gold in big time. One of them is NFP. I'll name a few: NFP, CPI, FOMC. These three are the main ones. So NFP basically tells, I'm not an economy expert, but from my understanding, it basically tells you how much people are on payroll, excluding the farmers.
Okay.
So that's what it stands for, NFP. And this is a good trading practice for you as well, buddy. So anytime you want to know if there is any numbers dropping, Forex Factory, and you should do this every week, start of the week.
Forex Factory.
And then you go, let's say what is tomorrow, September 7th, September 8th, and then you go to filters, none, and then select the currencies that will affect your asset.
Yeah.
So
USD.
our asset is gold. What is it affected by?
USD.
So we look USD mainly. Apply filter. Now you look for the red folders. So September 5th was Friday, right? And you see these three red folders?
Yes.
So these are the numbers that affects the economy or tells how good economy health is.
President Trump speaks.
No, this is not
I like how they have the most common thing that affects the market. President Trump speaks.
Where is it? Does it say anywhere on the screen?
President Trump speaks.
Oh yeah, But that was 3. I don't think it affected it that bad. But yeah, orange is okay. Red is extreme. Red means that it will affect market for sure, for sure. So it's called NFP, non-farm employment change. If you open the folder further, you see this number 73k.
Yes.
So the economist expected the number will be, forecast was 106k, but it was much lower. So that tells you one thing: the economy has shrinked, the number of people employed has lowered than the forecast, which means gold will,
Gold should go down.
gold will go up, buddy.
Up.
Now I'll
Why?
explain how.
Higher employment rate.
Anytime the economy does bad, people move their money from economical assets, let's say
So
company
they are moving
stocks,
their money from more risky places to gold.
because gold is safe haven. Adjusted for
gold is safe
inflation,
haven.
gold will keep going up. Or
Yeah.
whenever there is economic downturn or anything, people move to gold. People flock to gold. Perhaps.
Yeah, and if there's too much of an economic downturn, then we have the Great Depression.
Yeah, so like I said, these numbers you should keep an eye for. If numbers are bad, the prices of gold goes higher, because people will then start pushing money into gold, and that's when this happened. I put a buy stop here. Now I don't know if you know buy stops, but I'll explain it in some other video. This is already 1 hour long video.
Yeah.
And I think you must have things to do as well. Continue with your day. So my account, this week was break even, buddy.
Break even?
Yes, I made.
Unlike mine.
Yeah, I mean, we're all
$35 loss.
I mean, overall, I'm in loss too, buddy. Look at this. Where is my rook? Not this. Maybe this. Yes, I am in minus 22. Before start of this week, I was at minus 39 or something.
Yeah.
And remember, buddy, follow this rule. It's very important for you. 3 trades a day. That's it. Look at this. September 5th. How many trades I took?
3.
1, 2, 3. Done.
1, 2, 3. Done.
Done. You are a baseball player. 3 strikes, out. Does not matter what the outcome is. As a trader, you have to come, sit at this beautiful chair you have, perform and go. If you don't perform, fine. You don't keep swinging your bat, swinging boom, boom, boom. No. First trade -5, second trade 19, and then one trade $2 because I was not heavily leveraged. 0.01 lot, that's nothing. I used to trade higher lot size. Look at this, 0.08, and then I also traded at 1.2 lot size. I don't know if I can find that for you. See, look at this, 0.2 lot size. So 20 cent lot, made what? $70 on that. But that was FOMC. That's another big news event you need to look into.
FMC, okay.
FOMC, Forex Factory is the best way to keep track of all the news. ऐसा करा करना. Now you know a week is coming ahead. Sunday, prepare yourself for the next week.
Forex Factory.
Go to Forex Factory, look throughout कि क्या क्या रहता है, what is coming, and that way you are prepared in advance. All right.
Okay.
So that's it, my friend. We'll talk soon, and I hope you learned a thing, we discussed things, and you do things differently next time. Okay?
I will. I intend to.
All right, buddy. Adios.
Adios.